In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own stock candlestick chart on Google Sheets and Google Finance. By the end, you'll have a clean candlestick chart built from data in your spreadsheet, ready to analyze trends and price movements. Start by opening a new Google Sheet. With the sheet open, click into the first cell where you want your data to begin. Paste the formula you've prepared that retrieves your stock data into the sheet. This is typically the formula that brings in the date and the price columns you'll need, including open, high, low, and close. Give it a moment to load so you can see your table populate. Next, create a clear header for your date. Scroll to the end of your existing columns and add a new header titled Date. This will be a formatted version of your original date column, which makes it easier to use consistently in the chart. Press Enter to confirm the header, then in the first cell under that header, type the following formula. EU text A2 mem d e so. Replace A2 if your first date lives in a different cell. Press Enter to apply it. You should now see the date displayed as plain text in the MD format. If Sheets suggests an autofill to copy this formula down the column, click the suggested autofill so every row gets a formatted date. If you don't see the suggestion, drag the fill handle down manually. Now select your data. Press Ctrl+A to highlight the active data range. If your sheet is empty elsewhere, Ctrl+A will typically select the whole table. Check that your selection includes the date, open, high, low, and close columns, as well as your formatted date column if you plan to use it on the x-axis. Go to the top menu and choose Insert, then click Chart. In the chart editor that opens on the right, switch the chart type by clicking the drop-down. Scroll until you find Candlestick Chart and select it. If the candlestick option isn't appearing, make sure your numeric columns are clean, no text or blank header rows, and that you have a date column plus 4 numeric columns for price. Finally, confirm the x-axis is your date. In the Setup tab of the chart editor, click the x-axis field and choose your date column. If the chart looks off, check that the data order meets candlestick requirements, a category column for date, followed by numeric columns for low, open, close, and high. Adjust your range if needed. That's it, your candlestick chart is ready. Tweak styles and colors as you like, and you're good to go.